Devin Christensen, Showroom Auto Detailing, Oak Lawn, Illinois.
Kobe Brown, KB Detailing in Erie, Pennsylvania.
My name is Mario Gomez from Tinkico Auto Detail, and I'm coming from Fairfax, Virginia.
I wanted to be able to put myself out to a different client base more. And I've had a few people asking me here and there about doing ceramic coatings, and I think it's important enough to spend the money and get certified in it than to just look at some stuff on the internet and try it myself.
I wanted to learn a little bit about ceramic coatings and how it was worked and the proper techniques that you had to apply before you actually put the coating on.
So with the ceramic coating, becoming more and more popular every day. So I just wanted to be on top of the business and learn and be certified from you guys, professional people, and learn all techniques and products and the proper way on how to apply and use the products to deliver a great service.
I like it. It's really informative, and once again, I think it's more important to have hands-on training and actually do it, and and doing the process from compounding, polishing, all the way up to applying it. It's been perfect so far.
I thought today was excellent. I did a lot of hands-on. I did learn quite a few things as I went through, and I thought it was pretty cool.
I love it. I love the team. Very professional, very knowledge, and I learned a lot.
Absolutely. If somebody's ever looking at getting into doing this kind of thing, I would highly recommend coming here.
Yes, definitely. As I said before, ceramic coating is becoming more and more popular. This is something that everybody should be doing now in their business, and it's a great add to the services that you can offer.
I would definitely tell people about this. If they came to me and they wanted information, I just give them where the place is at, tell them who it is, and then have them do it. Yes, I would recommend it.